Hey, RP here with Utah's Home Team, powered by Realty One Group Signature. You guys, I am so excited to share with you this beautiful new listing in Cottonwood Heights. One of the coolest part about this location is that we are directly in the middle between the two famous canyons in Utah. To my right, you've got Big Cottonwood Canyon, which is home to Solitude and Brighton Ski Resort. Equal distance to my left is Little Cottonwood Canyon, home to Alta and Snowbird Ski Resort. Now, this home was recently beautifully remodeled by Path Home Interior Design, originally built in 2012, but remodeled just last year in 2023. I can't wait to share with you some of the cool features inside the house as well as outside the home. So let's get started. Come on. All right, so right off the bat, we are sitting on 0.32 of an acre, just shy of a third of an acre. Inside has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 5,310 square feet. But most of you know, some of my favorite features about a home, not only is the kitchen, but a 4-car garage. In a home like this, in this location, behind a gated community, you guys, a 4-car garage is impossible to find. This makes this one of my top picks and dream homes. All right, let's go inside. All right, so here we are standing in this absolutely beautiful foyer. And you know, it's so funny, whenever we come into a home like this that's already gone through the remodel, it's fun to hear the story and the journey that they went through. And in this particular case, first of all, I want to point out that the hardwood floor that you see here, because it's 2023, it is the super popular color right now, which is rift oak, engineered wood. And as you can see, it absolutely makes this house completely updated. One of the things that was pointed out to us by the husband was that, yes, the wife did most of the design remodel, but the one thing that he stood his ground on was having this beautiful coffered ceiling. So winning coffered ceiling, good job, Pat. All right, let's walk through the rest of the home. To my right, we've got this really beautiful office with double French doors. On my left is this formal dining room, but check this out. In this dining room, they've incorporated this really nice decorative bookcase. And one of my favorite features is right here. This little breezeway allows you to come through the formal dining room from the kitchen without having to go all the way around. But more importantly, it's absolutely beautiful. You've got this charcoal gray with a tint of blue in it. Beautiful light quartz countertop with marble texture. And once again, natural rift oak shelving with the undermount display light underneath. Done correctly, this is an absolute stunner. Done incorrectly, it looks very cheap. This is absolutely beautiful. You've got 2 beverage refrigerators down here as well. And then you make your way through here and you're in the beautiful living room, the kitchen and dining area. Okay, so as you come into this room, you are greeted with this big, tall 20-foot ceilings, massive windows all around you. Then of course, this here, we got this remote that you can take off here, control the lights. So of course, in addition to that, these big, beautiful windows, as you can see, they're all on different zones. And you've got multiple zones for multiple windows that allows you to bring in privacy into this room. Now, this here, a lot of people, when you take a look at this, it doesn't look massive, but it is the largest fireplace you can buy. It is a 42-inch extra tall fireplace. And instead of wood, this is actually metal. Absolute stunner. So it gives it that nice architectural, commercial grade, if you will, nice clean look in a very traditional home. Let's step through here and you'll see nice open space. This dining area, when they did the remodel, they actually moved the light out a little bit to give it a little more space. And then we've got these seats that you can put cushions on top, and then you have storage underneath. Over here, once again, beautiful cabinetry, quartz countertop all the way across. You've got pot filler here. Thermador cooktop, beautiful chevron style here for the hood, walk-in pantry. All of your appliances are GE Cafe style. So this here is one of my favorite ovens on the market today. These double doors are awesome. They remind me of commercial bakeries and such, right? All right, let's go through here and let's go upstairs. All right, so as we come up here, once again, nice, big, open, spacious. Instead of having 3-foot hallways, we've got 5-foot hallway, big open area over here. And right through these double French doors, you've got the primary suite. Again, king-size bed here, still plenty of room. Fireplace on the wall. I want to point out a really cool feature that's very difficult to do in remodels, and that is this shower right here. As you stand here, there's no lip. So the flooring goes straight across, goes straight into the shower. The drain, in order to create a drain in the remodel, they actually had to take the trusses, the joists underneath, the trusses underneath, reconfigure the truss height in order to build the slope needed for the drain over there on that side. Really cool feature. You see it a lot in St. George homes where there's slab on grade, but not very common in this area. So a really fun feature. Of course, you've got your separate tub, all of these mirrors, a touch light. You can hit the button here and I believe turns on and off, and then you can also change the color. In case if you're not very tan and you want to look tan, turn it to yellow and boom, next thing you know, you're tan. Oh yeah. Okay, another cool feature built by this builder. So this is the third home that we've sold in this neighborhood, and always one of my favorite features is that you're in the primary suite, you're in the primary bathroom, you walk in through the walk-in closet, but here's the cool part, right here, you have your washer and dryer room. This is not the primary suite washer and dryer room. This is the same washer and dryer that's accessible from the hallway, but they made a connection the way they designed it. It allowed access from the primary suite into the laundry room. Winning. Okay, step through here. Come through here. Another really nice feature of this home is that every suite is an ensuite. So here we are. Again, another bedroom currently being set up as a seating area with a desk, but another bedroom here. Check out this massive walk-in closet, literally almost the size of most bedrooms. Big bright windows in the walk-in closet, and again, into your ensuite shower with beautiful chevron style tile in the shower. And then once again, step through here. The little girl's room, and once again her own walk-in closet here, and her pretty Barbie pink bathroom. There you have it, 3 ensuite on the upper floor, 2 additional bedrooms in the lower level basement. Absolutely stunner, but I can't wait to show you the backyard. Let's go outside. All right, here we are standing in this absolutely charming covered patio. And let me tell you, new Trex deck here, beautiful railing. Each one of these cabs have LED lights. So we've got LED down light. We are standing underneath this absolutely charming tongue and groove pine shiplap. And then these light bulbs are all Philips Hue light bulbs. That means you can change the color, thousands of different color combinations. You've got plenty of room here for seating area. You've got the outdoor grill here. But check this out. This is what I love about it. When you have 0.32 of an acre, you get to do some really fun stuff. All right, so again, big open backyard. You've got some garden beds over here, but check this out. As you walk across here, all of these trees that you see here have professional uplighting that has been done. Absolutely stunning at nighttime. We've got this hot tub here that's been sunken in. You've got this water feature, creates some peace and serenity sound as you're out here enjoying your beautiful backyard. Step over to here. We've got a natural wood burning fire pit with plenty of room for outdoor furniture out here. Now, here's what's really cool about homes like this, right? There are a lot of homes that you can come on the backyard and you know what? Yeah, it's nice. But in order to do something like this, you are $200,000 to $300,000 into it to get something like this done. This is mature landscaping, expensive trees, really nice features that, for example, this wall here, you're able to sit on it, have plenty of guests here. have those fun evening, enjoying family, friends, and picnics out in your own backyard. You guys, this is an absolute stunning home. And if you guys are interested, please let me know. Love to show it to you. We do have a website. If you want to take a virtual tour and see additional photos, visit 7985royalcreek.com. That's 7985royalcreek.com. Or give us a call at Utah's Home Team. We'd be more than happy to show it to you. Thanks, you guys.